Advocate Vikas, my member of the board, and advocate like teachers, non-teaching staff, and my really beloved students. It's my proud privilege to welcome you all for this lovely morning and the journey which we would like to lead from Law College in association with the Legal Aid Society and all of you. There is a NYAYA YATRA. It's a beautiful concept, and I must compliment Advocate Vikas for floating this idea. And just now he told me it was Mandal also who pushed this. It's very important that as a law college we need to take a big lead, and that's what I am pushing. We are not only having a law college but also we have a commerce college where we have BCA, Bachelor in Computer Applications. As I could see the brilliant students performing a street play, which was very informative, and I think we should take this moment to a bigger level. We need to integrate our BCA students and also start working on building apps, building awareness, giving helpline, and many other social services in respect of law and also social security. We should be in a position to reach out to the community, the senior citizens, the women, the young children, the youth. We should be able to build an awareness and create a system. Today, our society is actually quite good. It's that very small fraction of people who try to create disrepute to our society. We are much stronger and evolved society as compared to the global society. You look at what is happening in the US today. Try and evaluate what is happening in Western countries. We are much stronger, much spiritual. We respect, we care, we love. I think as Indians and as Goans, we should come together not only as law students but as a Goan citizen, as an Indian citizen, to reunite the society and by building an awareness and by integrating a lot of concepts. So, NYAYA YATRA is something which, as a president of Vidya also, I guarantee you, if you all come forward, we will make it and take it to the different level. I would seek support of District Judge Sarika for Desai, who has been our alumni of the same college. We are today in holding positions. We should use it for the betterment of the society, and that's one of the cause I work personally. We need to make sure we leave something nice to the next generation. We need to use our position to improve the societal deficiencies. We need to work out and bring in a culture of awareness. We need not be activists. A lot of people have become activists on negativity. They try to poison the minds, they try to play dirty, they try to extort. This kind of activism is something we should also bring awareness. In Goa, if you see some of the areas, the best business that is working is extortion by activists. I am totally against it. What we need to build is a very strong society and build an awareness and rights. Even there are government schemes, there are so many beautiful government schemes. Even this government, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Samant, has come out with many schemes. I personally have seen it very closely, and they are not reaching out to the people. Even when you look at DSS scheme, there are other schemes. It should be our endeavor that whatever in a good spirit that is done by the government, it should reach out to the weakest and the most deserving person of the society. As a law college, we need to take initiative. As a Damodar college also we need to integrate with law college, and we will do that. So I would urge upon the students, you are brilliant, and I am so proud of you. In last 5 years, the kind of value that you have built up to our college is immense. Immense, and I am very proud. Every month I review the progress and I see some good achievements happening. I keep coming to the campus at least once a week. Do you have some concerns and some proposals? Do let me know. I I guarantee you anything that students want for the betterment of their education, betterment of their profession will be done. And that's the commitment of the President of the Vikas Mandal. And today you see from where they wish to walk. I guarantee you, you are our assets. We exist because of you. We will also support all of our teachers. We will make sure we are Kare College. Today they are number 1 in Goa. But I guarantee you, we will be the best in Western India in these 3 to 5 years. So do let me know what needs to be done. And I would appeal to you all, let us take this movement of NYAYA YATRA much forward. We need to do a lot for the society because we can't just remain like a student or entrepreneur. We are able to be what we are today just because a decent society exists in front of us. So it's our responsibility to develop the society and protect the society. And I need your support in this endeavor.
This NYAYA YATRA Journey to Justice हे आम्ही स्टार्ट केला. It is a collaboration South Goa District Legal Services Authority, Kare College of Law आणि कोंकण JOURBEY. So on NYAYA YATRA आम्ही हांगा डिसाइड केलो कित्याक रेल्वे स्टेशन इज द प्लेस where we get the poor or the marginalized people of the society. So तांकां कळपाक की आपल्याले रायट्स कितें, फ्री लिगल एड म्हणल्यार कितें आनी कोणाक फ्री लिगल एड मेळटा. आमी डिजिटल पोस्टल कॉम्पिटिशन दवरलें आनी डिजिटल पोस्टल हे 6 म्हयन्या खातीर आमी हांगा लायल्या. आनी आमची हेल्प डेस्कूय आसा. जर कोणाकय लिगल एड जाय कितें जाय जाल्यार हेल्प डेस्कांक वचून विचारून कोणाक फ्री लिगल एड मेळटलें हें कळटा. फ्री लिगल एड हे खंयच्याय बायलांक, चलेक, पीपल इन कस्टडी, कोणूय जेली भितर आसा नाजाल्यार ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकींग, laborers or any person whose income level is less than 3 lakhs. जाल्यार तांकां डिस्ट्रिक्ट लिगल सर्विसीस ऑथॉरिटी साऊथ गोवा नाजाल्यार जर तांची केस तालुका लिगल सर्विसीस तालुकांत आसा जाल्यार तालुका लिगल सर्विसीस केपें, मडगांव, सांगे, काणकोण, वास्को तांचेर थंय वचून मेळपाचें.
Was asking me, sir, whether you are enjoying this function or not. And the first thing which I realized is that this is the second longest time I have been waiting at a railway station. The first time I waited at the railway station was when I went to the other station to catch a Konkan Kanya, and it got delayed for some reasons. And from 11 to 3:30 in the morning, I was waiting at a railway station. And believe me, when I compare that time and today's, I think this is far more better than what had happened at that time. And I have got a comfortable chair to sit at the station. But trust me, this is a very innovative way. After I have become the chairman of Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, I have attended so many functions all across the state of Maharashtra and many in Goa also. But never have I ever attended a function where the trains are passing by, the passengers are passing by, and the students are right in front of me and the speakers are speaking to the students. These are amazing things that you have done, and I congratulate you. When I just look back at the so many functions which I have attended, I think this is one function which I will always remember for my life. That kind of function you have arranged, and I thank the organizers for having organized this wonderful function. Now, the purpose of this function has already been spoken about by the earlier speakers. But believe me, we have lighted so many lamps over here, and one is still burning. So what I feel today is this, that out of the so many passengers who have crossed this path while this function was going on, and many stopped by and watched the act which you played out, if one person, just one passenger, one citizen of this country did watch the full skit and understand the meaning of it, I think today's function will be a great success, that kind of function which you have arranged. And I truly believe this is what is required. When I was watching you young students, putting out all your heart and acting out, I mean, you are doing a great job for the society. It's a service. It's a great service for the society. Of course, you are learning as students, but at the very same time, when you are learning, you are simultaneously doing a great service for the society. Now the question is, time and again we read the Constitution. It's 75 years since we have the Constitution has been accepted by all of us, and we are celebrating the 75 years of having the Constitution of India. And all that we know after this 75 years are the rights, the constitutional rights which are guaranteed by the Constitution of India to the citizen. But the most important thing which I appreciate in that skit was that with a constitutional right comes a constitutional duty. That is what you pointed out, and which I like the most about this skit, that we all know about our rights, but we just tend to forget about our duties. Believe me, if we have that civic sense, this is what it is all about, right? It is all about civic sense. So this civic sense means the constitutional duty which everyone has. And if every person in this country, or even more than 50% of the citizens of this country realize their constitutional duties, I truly believe that there will be no necessity to emphasize on the constitutional rights. Because the moment you start obliging your duties, obviously the others which have a collateral constitutional right, that will definitely be followed. So therefore, I feel today that this is a very innovative idea which you have come up with. As a chairman of Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, first of all I would thank the District Legal Services Authority, Kare Law College, the Konkan Railway, and you all students. But at the very same time, I would like to extend a hand towards you. The Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa is very much interested in such kind of activities. We are ready to be a part of it, and I request all of you to just let us know what is required from us, what we can do, and trust me, we will do it and we'll be a part of your team and we'll do it together. So therefore, I request all the organizers to please contact the Bar Council, or you can tell it to me and we'll be right here with you. Having said all,
Law has today launched its flagship event in the name of NYAYA YATRA, Journey Towards Justice. This initiative has been worked out by the college in order to educate and create awareness about the various socio-legal issues which are being faced by citizens. So not only these law students but also all others, including District Legal Service Authority, have in association with the college licensed towards implementation of this kind of a program. Now you may say why this kind of an event is happening at a railway station. Now railway station, we want to convey the message that it is not only for the purpose of commuting people from one place to another, but this is the point of contact where maximum number of people travel. They make use of the facilities that have been provided. So setting up for a common man this kind of a facility whereby if they have any doubts as to what is the way forward, how are you going to go about with an application, how are you going to settle this particular issue, will be taken up by the college in association with the Konkan Railway authorities and also the District Legal Services Authority. So these are the people who would be working behind the curtains to redress these kind of issues which are faced by the public. So basically the students community will be involved in this kind of an exercise because I believe that this is a practical learning process for them as well. They will have an experience before they even venture out in their practice. So this initiative, I hope, is taken to a greater height, and therefore we termed this particular initiative as NYAYA YATRA. It's a journey which has started today, and definitely it will go a long, long way.
Judges of the state of Goa, Judge Sarika Faldessai, Ganesh and my dear friend Goretti, principal of the Kare College, not to miss out on advocate for Advocate Nitin, who are